Monsters, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are using the Yum Box Panino. Inside the Yum Box Panino, this is not one of Brandon's favorites, but it's one of mine, so I'm just gonna make him eat it anyway. But I have the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. He loves Nutella more so than peanut butter, but I think the combination of this is much better than Nutella and jelly. So I have some multi-grain bread here. This is 2 slices of bread. I did peanut butter and jelly, and I sliced it up into 4 long pieces so that it looks nice in this box and is easier to hold. I have some pretzel goldfish here, some apple slices, and some pistachios that are already deshelled here. For a snack, I'm just going to give him these chocolate mini bear graham crackers. So these are like Teddy Grahams, but chocolate flavor from Aldi. And then I have a thermos of milk and 1 of water. We will see if he likes this lunch at the end of the day. Hey guys, today we're using the Bentgo Kids. Inside our Bentgo Kids, I have some chicken nuggets that I put into the toaster oven, the air fryer toaster oven. So I have 5 chicken nuggets here. I have some cherry tomatoes, some goldfish, a clementine that I peeled up, and then I have his multivitamins in the center. If your kids do like to dip their chicken nuggets, you always can use this center to put the sauce in, or actually I think this container is a little better because they're kind of wide, but sometimes I do add like a little extra cup on the side. I just didn't today because sometimes he really just doesn't use it and we just throw it out. So that's what I'm giving him for lunch. For a snack, I'm just gonna give him a pack of these Ritz Bits cheese-filled crackers, and then he has his thermos of water and milk today, and that is what he's eating. We'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. Good morning, guys. Today I am using the Bentgo Kids Chill. Inside the Bentgo Kids Chill, I'm actually using the freezer pack. So if you guys haven't seen this before, there is a freezer tray here at the bottom that you leave in your freezer, and then when you're ready to use it, you go ahead and pop it in. I do sometimes use this lunchbox without the tray, but once you do need the tray, you just snap this on, and that is it. So it keeps it cold underneath. It usually does do a pretty good job, so you don't have to pack an extra ice pack in there. But today I have a spinach wrap. I put some turkey, lettuce, and cheese, rolled it up, and made pinwheels out of them. So I have a couple of those. I have his multivitamins in a separate cup right here. I have some grapes. These are humongous grapes, but these are some grapes. Some veggie straws, and then I have a fortune cookie that I packed for him just as a dessert. To go with that, I'm going to give him a morning snack of cheese. So I have a Baby Bell cheese, Colby Jack cheese, rectangle piece here, and then for snack time, I have these are the the cheese and chives, I think, crackers. And I found these 2-pack ones, or sorry, the 4-pack ones, which is a good size because sometimes they come in 6 and it's a bit much. So I'm going to give him that as well. I have his bottle of water and his thermos of milk today to go with that. So we will see what he eats at the end of the day. Have a good one. Bye, you guys. We are finally at Friday, the last day of the week, and I have for you the Yum Box Original. Inside the Yum Box Original, I have a DIY Lunchables. So I like this lot because it fits perfectly a mozzarella cheese stick. I also have a clementine that I peeled up. I have some turkey that I just rolled up and just kind of stuck in here. Some Ritz crackers, some pretzel sticks, and his vitamins. To that, I have a peanut butter dark chocolate protein granola bar. So this one I got at Walmart. This is just kind of like one of their brands, but it's actually really tasty. So that's going to be for a snack. And then I also have an additional cup of applesauce because he's been wanting to have some breakfast at school as well. So I'm going to give this to him. To go with that, I have this spork that I ordered off of Amazon. I love using this. It's reusable, and he does remember to bring it home, which is great because it is Friday. I always like to give him a treat. So he's going to have chocolate milk today, and then I'm just going to give him a thermos of water just so he has something to help wash down. But that is what he's going to bring. We're going to see what he finishes at the end of the day. And if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so you can see what we come up with next week for school lunches. Thanks for watching. Have a monster-rific weekend, everyone, and we will see you next week. Bye.